Ready to experience the perfect blend of style, performance, and versatility? The BMW G310 Classic could be your ultimate ride. Let's dive in. Welcome to Biker's Choice, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting models from BMW's lineup, the BMW G310 Classic. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this bike promises an unbeatable combination of performance, looks, and affordability. So stick around as we uncover what makes this bike truly special. A timeless design with modern appeal. The BMW G310 Classic immediately catches your eye with its retro-inspired design. It blends the timeless looks of classic motorcycles with modern engineering. From the round headlamp to the minimalist side panels and retro tank design, the G310 Classic exudes charm and nostalgia. The fit and finish are top-notch, giving it that premium feel that BMW is known for. If you're a fan of vintage aesthetics with a contemporary twist, this bike will definitely stand out in your garage. Performance that delivers. But the G310 Classic isn't just about looks, it's built for performance too. Underneath the iconic design, you'll find a 313 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine that churns out 34 horsepower. While this might not sound like a lot, the G310 Classic is lightweight and agile, giving you a fantastic riding experience whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets. The bike's 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth shifts, and its suspension system offers a comfortable yet responsive ride. Simply put, it's a bike that doesn't compromise on both power and handling. Comfort and ride quality. When it comes to comfort, the G310 Classic truly shines. The ergonomics are spot on with a relaxed riding position that's perfect for long rides or city commuting. The wide, well-padded seat adds to the comfort, making it a bike you can ride all day without feeling fatigued. Plus, the bike's lightweight frame ensures that it's easy to handle at low speeds, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Technology and features. BMW has incorporated some impressive tech into the G310 Classic, especially considering its entry-level price tag. The bike features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides essential data like speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip information, all in a clear and easy-to-read layout. The LED lighting system ensures high visibility while also adding to the bike's sleek look. It also comes with a reliable braking system, offering good stopping power with its dual-channel ABS. Affordability and accessibility. While BMW is known for its premium motorcycles, the G310 Classic is surprisingly affordable, especially when compared to other bikes in the same category. Its accessible price point opens the doors for a broader range of riders who may have always dreamed of owning a BMW. Whether you're new to the motorcycle world or looking to upgrade to something more stylish and capable, this bike offers excellent value for money. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the BMW G310 Classic is an exciting entry into the world of modern retro motorcycles. It has the design, the performance, and the technology to satisfy a wide range of riders. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily commuter or a bike that can handle weekend getaways, the G310 Classic ticks all the boxes. At Biker's Choice, we believe this motorcycle might just be your next dream ride. If you enjoyed this review and want more motorcycle content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Got any questions about the BMW G310 Classic? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Ride safe and we'll see you in the next video.